Okay, so we're I think up to our 20th video, and we're still dealing with point slope form of the line, and we've got one more aspect about it that we've got to talk about. I believe this is going to be the last video on this subject. It's taken a while for us to get through it. Okay, but here it goes again. Point slope for the line. No, I want this. I'll just have to fight through this. Point slope of the line. Point slope form of the line. And it is continued. There's a little bit more to do. Okay, so now problem number 4. This should be the last problem. Problem number 4. What's it say? It says write an equation. Write an equation. Okay, of a line that passes through two comma negative 3 and is perpendicular perpendicular to y equals 1/2 x minus 4 Okay, now as soon as you see write an equation of a line, you know that we're going to have to use y minus y1 equals m times x minus 1. All right, but we need an explanation of perpendicular lines. Of perpendicular lines. Perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. Here's an explanation. Let's say you have a line A right here and a line B. And we know the slope of A is equal to 3/4. But what is the slope of B? Okay, so the answer is to that, it's the negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal. It's the negative reciprocal. So that means if this is 3/4, A is 3/4, it turns into the reciprocal, which is 4/3. And if this was positive, then this is negative. So the slope, the m of B is equal to negative 4/3. Then is equal to negative 4/3. If m is equal to 3/4, then the slope of B is negative 4/3. So what about, let's get back to our question. We need 3 ingredients. 3 ingredients. We need x1, check, we have it right here. That's x1. We need y1, check, we have it. This is y1. And what about the slope? So, what's the slope of this line? The slope of this line is right over here. M is equal to 1/2. But our line is perpendicular to this line. So our line is equal to 2/1 with a minus. That means our slope is equal to -2. Check. 3 ingredients. We have it. x1, y1, and the slope. We take the 3 ingredients and we put them right into our line here, into the point slope form of the line. So we have y minus y1, which is -3, the slope, which is -2, x minus x1, which is 2. That means we have y plus 3 equals -2x, -2 times -2, which is +4, and then -3 on left, -3 on right. Y is equal to -2x plus 1. Here it is. Y equals mx plus b form. Now, we need to know one more thing. There's something called the standard form. There's something called the standard form of the line. So, the standard form of the line is x and then y, then equals, then the number. So, how do I get this to become the standard form? I need to do plus 2x on both sides, and I get 2x plus y, this is gone, equals 1. We've got the x, we've got the y, and we've got the number with the equal sign. The number and the equal sign. This is standard form. So the answer can be B in standard form, or the answer can be B, answer can be B in y equals -2x plus 1 with the y equals mxb form of the line. Okay, so that is finally we're finished with this subject. It took a while.